In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlink in Affinity Designer. If you're creating an interactive PDF, a portfolio, or a presentation, adding clickable links can make your document feel polished and easy to navigate. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can do it with confidence. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer and loading the document you're working on. Make sure you already have the text you want to turn into a link on your canvas. With your document open, click on the text so it becomes active. You can use the text tool to place your cursor inside the text frame or select the text object if it's part of your layout. Next, highlight the exact words you want to make clickable. Drag across the text to select it and double check that only the intended words are highlighted. Precise selection is important because the hyperlink will apply to whatever is highlighted right now. With the text highlighted, right-click using your mouse or trackpad to open the context menu. You'll see several options related to text formatting and editing. From this menu, choose Insert Hyperlink. This opens the Hyperlink dialog where you'll set what the link actually does. In the dialog, select the type of hyperlink you need. You can link to a web address, an email, a named anchor, or a page in your document. Pick the option that matches your goal. If you're creating internal navigation for a PDF, select the page option. Enter the page number you want the hyperlink to jump to. Make sure this number matches the destination page in your document layout, and consider noting which page holds the content you want people to see. Accuracy here ensures viewers land exactly where you expect. Before you confirm, choose the character style named Hyperlink. This style typically applies a blue underlined look so readers instantly recognize it as a clickable link. You can customize that style later to match your brand, but using a consistent hyperlink style helps with accessibility and clarity. When everything looks correct, click OK. Your selected text is now a hyperlink. If you don't see a visual change, confirm that the character style applied correctly and that you had the text highlighted during setup. To test the link, export your document to an interactive PDF and click the link in a PDF viewer. That's all there is to it. Highlight, right-click, insert the hyperlink, choose the type, enter the page if needed, apply the hyperlink style, and confirm. With these steps, your Affinity Designer documents will be more interactive and easier to navigate.